All right, so let's talk about different ways that we can define or express an angle. So here I have two rays. I'm going to have my initial ray right here, and I have my terminal right here. And that's going to be an angle in standard position, but what type of angle? Well, the angle itself, we're going to express in degrees, is going to be the amount of rotation from the positive x-axis to the terminal ray. The only difference is that we can rotate different ways. So we need to know in direction, have some way to show directionality in our rotation. So if I rotate counterclockwise, that's going to be a positive angle. So right here, this is going to be a positive angle. If I rotate clockwise, that is going to be a negative angle. So if I rotate this direction, I have a negative angle. Now, you can't just draw something like this and say my angle's in standard position. What angle? I've seen an infinite amount of angles there. We'll get into that. But right now, you can see clearly you have at least one positive and one negative. You have to show some sort of rotation that goes with the angle, or you just have two random rays. We don't know what the actual angle is. So those are positive. So let's do an example. Let's say I want you to draw 75 degrees in standard position. Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to draw an x and y axis. So I have an x and a y. 75 degrees. Well, I'm going to start at my initial ray right here. I'm going to rotate, because it's positive, counterclockwise 75 degrees, which would be up in here somewhere. So I would just simply draw my terminal ray here, put in my rotation to show the arrow showing which way I'm rotating, because I'm rotating counterclockwise 75 degrees. Now, we'll say I wanted to draw an angle in standard position, which is a negative 105 degrees. Well, that's simple enough. We'll draw in our x and y axis. The negative means I'm rotating clockwise 105 degrees. So let's see, I'm going to rotate from here. Here's 90 degrees, because the axes intersect at 90 degrees, and then another 15 degrees, so right in here. Now I'm going to draw in my rotation. So this way is going clockwise. That's the negative part, and you can label this as 105 degrees, because now you're rotating clockwise 105 degrees. This is clockwise 105 degrees. And that's how you would draw these angles in standard position. 75 degrees or negative 105 degrees. Not terribly bad. Hi, I'm Mr. Buzzard, and these videos are supplemental instruction for my students. If you found the video enjoyable, make sure you click the like button and click subscribe, as well as the bell for notifications to receive future videos on high school mathematics.